This is the pool. Plaster isn't too bad, except for up there. It's just gonna need some work. All right, welcome to Coleman Outdoors Backyard Edition. Today, I'm not enjoying the outdoors in the traditional Coleman outdoor sense. I'm enjoying it in this pool. And I'm doing it DIY style. We've had this empty pool that needs to be demoed ASAP because it is a money pit. But generally, when I searched online, around $10,000 to demo this crap. We had a guy come out to do a quote on the backyard. He said he would quote us $26,000 just to demo this. Fortunately, the cheapest part of this is the fill dirt that you can find on Craigslist that people are getting rid of. For today's part of this job, I've just gotten myself a cut and break saw, which I have for the weekend. We only got about 4, 5, 6 inches in the shallow end. As you can see, this hole was a little bit tougher. This is where the drain is at. Technically not a drain, but that's what everybody calls it. Here's a little piece of copper pipe, but you can see that that goes pretty deep. My wife would love to keep it, Erin would love to keep it, but I don't know. I hope she doesn't hate me for the rest of my life. We'll get this backyard in order though, and then it'll be a wonderful place, and she'll forget about how ugly our beat up backyard is. Yeah, the most expensive part of this demolition is going to be the wear and tear on my body, but it's fiesta time. Let's go. Day 2 do-it-yourself pool demolition. Anyways, you can see out here the breaking that has taken place. Really, most of the shallow end is done. There might be some left here on the stairs that needs to be broke up. We're going to enlist the help of Jesse, who is the gentleman that brought all the fill dirt. He offered to come and help at a nominal fee, and I'm like, shoot, sounds like a sweet deal to me. We are on the home stretch. Hopefully we got enough dirt. Still up front, some. We're a little nervous. There might not be enough, so we'll see. But here we go. It's getting filled. Well, looks like we'll be doing this again next weekend. Renting the skid loader again. Sans the breaker, since we don't need that, so that'll save us a little money. And probably need Jesse to bring us, he says, maybe 5, 6, 7 more loads of dirt to fill this in. And maybe a little extra to level off the backyard. But geez, what a relief to have it filled to this point. So would have been awesome to have it done excuse me, this weekend. I'll not have to drop probably another $600 for the skid loader, but hey, I'll get to drive it a little bit again next weekend to load this in. And there's just a little bit more dirt out front that I'm going to go and mess around with. So until the end of this video, to where you see a beautifully flat backyard. So stay tuned. Good morning. We are on weekend number 2 or 3, I forget. I don't think we worked last weekend because of the rain. But here we go. This is where we left off. Got the loader again. Got another pile of dirt out there. We just got to get this backyard filled up and leveled out. So here we go. One load of dirt out here this morning. There are 2 more loads out there. Probably going to need 5, 6, 7 loads. Fill in the hole here. Even out the backyard some. Young bucks out here driving. All right, get a scoop. Gotta lower it. One more day of this, and then we got a blank canvas for creation. Well, that is how you demo your own pool, and I don't recommend it. Save yourself a lot of money, but no, I recommend it if you're capable. Do it. Save yourself that money. Have fun. Get to feel like a big kid in a giant sandbox. So all right, now it's a blank canvas, just waiting for the right medium to make it a masterpiece. I'm done. I am done. Ready for a shower and a break. doing, Otto? What you doing? You looking for a ride? You want to take a ride, kitty cat? What's this big old thing doing out here? Wrecking your hunting grounds. It's annoying, huh? Hey, why don't you get on out of there? You don't need to be peeing on this machine. This is a bigger cat. Alright. Go run off and play somewhere else. Oh, roll in the dirt now. Alright, give yourself a dirt bath. Give yourself a dirt bath. What?